Hey everyone, welcome to Noor Telecom. Today, we're tackling a deep troubleshooting issue with an iPhone 11 Pro. Cannot start up Stack on ROM page. So, let's dive in and find out what's really going on. Disassembling the phone. Removing display panel. Removing necessary elements. Removing the sandwich motherboard. Now place the motherboard to a motherboard layered heating system to heat up the layered motherboard. After proper heat up, disassemble the sandwich motherboard. You are viewing microscopic view. Removing NAND. Cleaning the board. Now reinstalling the NAND. Assemble the sandwich motherboard to eye socket board and power it up. Connect to PC and install the firmware. Now phone is working. Assembling the motherboard through motherboard layered heating system. Assembling the phone. And that's it. We've successfully replaced the iPhone 11 Pro NAND. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.